Hello, how are you, brother? I hope so you are fine, guys. So, what is Flash USDT? How to create a Flash USDT? Flash USDT TRC20. Okay, how to create a Flash USDT? Today in this video, I will show you every single thing. So this is my XNS account. See this coin is tradable. Okay, see this live trading. See this. I will close these positions and I will book the profit. Okay, you can trade and earn real money. Okay, see this. I will. This is my Binance account. 20 million I have right now in my Binance. Okay, see this. Bitcoin. I will buy 20 lots. Then see this. Live trading. Okay, see this. This is. I am a real and transparent person. You see the description and check my WhatsApp number. So this is my Binance. So just hold on. I see this. 20 million I have right now in my Binance account and see this. See that. So I click on spot. This is my spot account balance 20 million. See this refreshing. And I will refresh again. And now I'm going to show you my transaction history, how much USDT I will sell to my customer in this website. So see this. The major thing, this is only working on TRC20 to TRC20. You guys see this TRC20. Let's see this my balance, okay? See this 12,000 I will send it to my customer, but biggest disclaimer, this is the only educational purpose video. Don't get wrong. Again, this is only for the educational, pure educational purpose video. See this. And now you see this 34,000. Okay. I hope so you understand, guys. So see the description and check my WhatsApp number so we can proceed the business.